Welcome to the Tallinn Power Plant. We are the combined production enterprise of electricity and heat from biofuel. We supply energy to the Tallinn city and the electricity free market around the clock. The video tutorial is intended to improve the awareness of the hazards that you may encounter while here. You can access and exit the fenced area through a guarded entrance gate. In the area you can find wood chip storage, raw material storage, office building and other various utilities facilities. It is forbidden to be on the power plant territory while intoxicated. Smoking is allowed only in the designated areas. Please follow the safety requirements and information signs. At the power plant you will be met by your contact person, as visitors are only allowed to move around with the contact person accompanying them. This is the fire alarm. This is your evacuation signal. Follow your guide's instructions. Evacuation gathering point is located at the main entrance gate. Evacuation routes are easily accessible and marked with safety symbols. It is obligatory to wear a helmet in the production rooms. It is forbidden to enter the production area with a tie, slack clothing or jewelry. Hair must be tied together. Be careful and do not rush while in working premises, on the stairs or outside. Wear shoes with anti-slip soles and use the handrails when moving on the stairs. Do not touch pipes, valves, faucets and machinery. Do not reach over the safety barrier. Do not handle unnecessary issues. Focus on your safety. When moving on the production area, keep away from forklifts, trucks and moving parts of machinery. When moving around the storage lot on foot, always wear a reflector vest. We wish you a safe and pleasant stay. Welcome to the Tallinn Power Plant.